Recipes for tonight: broccoli with king crabs, American food, a lot of ingredients, so masarap. That's it. I cook rice too. For rice, delicious rice. So medyo hinog-hinog na yung apple mango ko, kaya ko pa nakain yesterday. So, magyan ako ng banana. Nagdampot rin ako ng shrimp natin with sauce. Shrimp natin. So, ito na yung sweet potato natin. I put butter on it and marshmallow on it. Then, yun, nilagay natin sa microwave more than 1 minute para mag-melt yung marshmallow. So, ay yung color white marshmallow yan. So, color orange yung sweet potato natin, no? So, yung butter, natunaw rin siya, nag-melt rin siya kasi mainit yung sweet potato. So, yan yung kamuti natin sa Mindanao. So, let's eat!
They were going to have him be Ashton's night super, and come to find out now he's Ashton's day super. I don't know if I don't know if Ashton's having some personal problems at home, but I talk to Nick once a week or twice a week, and he was like, John Mick isn't too happy with him right now. So
morning, let's eat again. Hindi pa naubos yung tilapia ko, so ito yung natira. So nilutuan ko rin sa tinunang french fries at nuggets. So, we have avocado, rice, cooked cake, banana, tilapia. Yan, big tilapia kasi yan, longganisa, tsaka broccoli, luto sa butter. So, ayan. So, ito yung longganisa natin. My favorite. Let's eat po. Blackberries. And green mango. And sausawan na to soy sauce with chili green, then royal flavor cherry, strawberry pala flavor. First time ko kakain ito. Next time naman to avocado. Lagyan ko siya ng gatas pagkain ako. Avocado green, pero hinog na yan.